Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analysts' choices for today.
The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq rose as investors looked ahead to an anticipated Federal Reserve interest rate cut later in the week, as well as several key data releases for clues on monetary policy next year. Cryptocurrency investors have not halted their purchasing spree as Bitcoin set new highs and crypto investment products hit their 10th consecutive week of inflows. Digital asset investment products saw another $3.2 billion of inflows in the trading week of December the 9th to the 13th, crypto investment firm CoinShares reported. President-elect Donald Trump, with SoftBank Group CEO Masayoshi Son at his side, announced that SoftBank would invest $100 billion in the US over the next 4 years, in what would be a boost to the US economy. Trump said in his joint appearance with Son that the investment would create 100,000 jobs focused on AI.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The next few days will see an economic calendar packed with a variety of updates, from critical high-impact releases to secondary data. Market participants should stay prepared for any shifts these reports may trigger. Keeping watch as these data points are released will be crucial for traders. Expect potential shifts and be ready to pivot your strategies in response.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.